Hey, what's up guys, Danny here. So this past weekend we went fishing and I just got a rod, and the first time I was out there on the river, it snapped.
Uh-oh.
So here we are at Walmart and we're gonna see if they will let me trade it in.
So kiss me beneath the milky twilight.
Oh, I just shot myself. Make sure this one's not messed up, because then we're gonna really be in some problems. So we got the one we're gonna trade in. The only thing is I'm really afraid of rejection. They may say no. Alright guys, so apparently Walmart has a policy where I guess it's like 30 days. As long as you have a receipt, you're able to return anything. So I guess you can return a snapped rod at Walmart.